friends, Running Kimono here. So we do have some information about the Dollar General Christmas. It will be going 90% off as of Tuesday, January the 27th. 90% off. No quarter sale, but we'll get a 90% off sale, which I'm looking forward to. Many stores, including in my region, they have removed everything off of the floor. So you will have to scout if your store has any merchandise left. And then some stores have the full display. It's like a 50-50 mix, but 3 of the stores near me are completely cleared, which is really odd to see. So again, just to go through this, on Tuesday, January the 27th, Christmas merchandise 90% off. And then I believe the following Tuesday, which will be the 3rd, it'll go to a penny. This will start getting marked down in the system about 3 a.m. on Tuesday, January the 27th. So if you wanted to early shop on Monday, not happening. Quarter sale, not happening as well. And it's 90% off of all Christmas merchandise. That includes air care, general stuff, some body washes, and some food. Special thank you to Instagrammer Bargain Buster. We've been going through all the movements of this, and she had a definitive memo yesterday where I feel confident presenting this information today. It's been all over the place with this as well. So on Tuesday, January the 27th, all of the math will change in the app for these products, but that double pack will probably be 60 cents or 70 cents, and those single cans will probably be 40 cents. So that is the value of 90% off. I'm not sure if this is in the right spot or not, but I think this 5 count will be $1.20 if you love Peppermint Glade. Again, 40 cents for those cans of Air Care by Febreze. And then those cleaners and the Palmolives, I'm wondering if they'll change completely in the app starting on Tuesday morning. We don't know. This little Febreze double pack would be $1 for that. And then these candles, I'm not sure what the price was for them, but probably under $1 for this double pack, if you can find any remaining. And then we have these little waxes as well, probably pretty cheap. And we love cheap. And then the cans of the Glade spray as well, probably like 30 or 25 cents per can. This is, I think, 10 retail, so it would be down to $1. So you could see how I'm doing that math. If there's anything left in the Dixie line, this is what they look like. It's like this paint pattern with some sprigs of joy. This is one item. I think it's 70% off. Most stores got cleared. And then this double pack of the Jiffy Foil apple pie. This is the aluminum foil product. Just remember this very delicious apple pie with the ice cream on it. I believe it'll be 30 cents starting on the 27th. And we have a little 50 center with this 5-pack of these like food storage containers, if there's any left. In the NCI section, where they have all the dishes and fun stuff, I know a lot of you have been in and out of that area in the last couple. There's a whole bunch of different Dolly Parton or Christmas themed cups, if they have not brought all of that to the front on a table, buy all our Christmas stuff at 90% off. But, like this cute Dolly one would be $1, so the Dolly stuff will be a little bit more, but the Dollar General generic is a little bit cheaper. And this line also really, really cute, probably $2 and some change. And then we have the Christmas slippers, probably, I think they're usually like $7 retail, so it'll be either 70 cents or 80 cents, depending how much. And these adorable little trees for $2 will be 20 cents. This is the stuff that I'm most excited about because I like to use these as little accent pieces for Christmas things that I make for my neighbors. These little kitchen towels, dish towels, 20 cents, exactly what I'm talking about. Especially if you gift a lot of stuff at Christmas time or even stockpile Christmas stuff. If you throw in a couple of these, it looks like you really tried. But 20 cents is exactly what I like, and I'm so happy that they dropped it to 90% for us. The more expensive line will be the Dolly line, and like a $5 item will be 50 cents. A lot of this stuff with the I Love Dolly or everything Dolly, 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 I think the average customer didn't really care for it. So that's why many stores still have so many. But 20 cents for the plates or the napkins. Lots of stores have a ton of it. So that's one other item to really watch out for, especially if you want plates or napkins. The sugar cookie sprinkle by Dove or the peppermint bark. I think it'll be like 80 cents or maybe 70, depending what you find. And then all of these little items, 10 cent, 20 cent for these little stocking stuffers. Yes. And like 40 cents for those elf cards and that little Holly Jolly Farms. I think it was originally $3, so it'd be 30 cents. So that's the beauty of this. 10 cents for those tags, and I think it'll be 30 cents for that little wooden Christmas tray. Very small amount of selected candies is tracking right now, 70 and 90 on the 27th. I would scan everything that you think is interesting because everything might just go 90% starting on Tuesday of the 27th. But these Ghirardelli chocolates, I want a bunch of them. That's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know if you will be shopping the 90% sale on the 27th. Bye, guys.